Hello students, welcome to maths class. So we will solve one 7 marks problem today. Okay, so come to the question, right? At the point P x1 y1 on the curve, show that the tangent is this one. One curve equation is given to you, one point is given to you. We have to show that the tangent to this curve at that point is this one. So show that, prove that problems means confirmly we will know whether we got the correct answer or not at the end of the question, right? So come on, what is the given curve equation is? So given curve equation is, what is given curve equation? It is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. This is your given curve. So P x1 y1 is a point, right? Is a point on the curve. Point on the curve. So if point lies means it satisfies the curve equation. So it is x1 cube plus y1 cube is equal to 3ax1 y1. That is our second equation. So if we want to write the tangent equation, we need the point, that means x1 y1, coordinates of the point at where we are taking the tangent, its coordinates x1 y1, and the slope of that curve we need. Slope means dy by dx. So to get dy by dx, we will differentiate the curve, and from that we will get our required dy by dx. So now you take differentiate 1, right, with respect to x on both sides, right? So then what happens? We will differentiate 1 with respect to x on both sides, then d by dx of x cube plus y cube is equal to d by dx of 3axy. Okay, so it is d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of y cube is equal to, here we can take 3 is a constant, a is a constant, letters and numbers are constant. So we have to differentiate x into y, right? We will write the constant outside. It is product form, right? So it is 3a into, come on, keeping x as it is, differentiating y. Next, keeping y as it is, differentiating x. That is the product form. Okay, so now this one is 3x square and this one is 3y square dy by dx is equal to 3a into x dy by dx plus y. d by dx of x is 1. Okay, so from this you take 3 outside. So x square plus y square dy by dx is equal to 3a into x dy by dx plus y. Okay, so 3 cancels. Okay, so now we are having the values dy by dx, right? Some values are in terms of dy by dx, some values are without dy by dx. So we will write dy by dx terms together and the other terms that side we will send. So y square, so we can take this as y square dy by dx and bring this dy by dx term, that is minus ax dy by dx is equal to, this side you are having ay and send this term that side, that is x square, only x square is there. Okay, so now you take your dy by dx common, it is y square minus ax into dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square. Then dy, we want only dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, sending this term to that side. Here it is dividing. If you send that side, it will, right? So is equal to y square minus ax. So we want the m value. So what is m? M is equal to dy by dx at x1 y1. Okay, so is equal to dy by dx is ay minus x square by y square minus ax. Okay, at x1 y1 we have to take. So is equal to ay1 minus x1 square by y1 square minus ax1. Okay, once we got m value, we have to write that equation of the tangent. So equation of tangent, right? Tangent at x1 y1. x1 y1 is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is equal to m. What is our m value? ay1 minus x1 square by y1 square minus ax1. Okay, into x minus x1. So it is y minus y1. It is dividing, send this side. It is y1 square minus ax1 is equal to ay1 minus x1 square into x minus x1. Okay, so observe at the end there is x term, y term and a x1 y1 is there. So come on, open the brackets. This is y into y1 square minus ax1 and come on, this is equal to y1 into y1 square, y1 cube, minus of minus plus, it is ax1 y1 is equal to, next with the x term you keep as it is, ay1 minus x1 square into x. Now open the brackets, minus ay1 x1 plus x1 cube. Okay, so x term, bring the x term this side. Okay, so if you bring this x term this side, it becomes a minus, right? Y into y1 square minus ax1 minus ay1 minus x1 square into x is equal to minus ay1 x1 plus x1 cube. Sending these values, minus becomes plus, y1 cube, this plus becomes minus ax1 y1. Okay, so come on, first we have to write x terms. So minus become minus of minus, plus, plus becomes minus, right? So it will be x1 square minus ay1 into x, sending minus sign inside, then this becomes plus and this becomes minus, then plus y1 square minus ax1 into y is equal to, we can write this as x1 cube plus y1 cube minus 2 times 2ax1 y1. Okay, so is equal to, what is your equation number 2? If you observe, x1 cube plus y1 cube is equal to 3a x1 y1. So it is 3a x1 y1 minus 2a x1 y1 is equal to a into x1 y1. Okay, so it is x1 square minus a y1 into x plus y1 square minus ax1 into y. So see, we got the equation of the tangent is x1 square minus a y1 into x, y1 square minus a x1 into y is equal to a x1 y1 is a required equation, isn't it? Required equation of tangent. Hence proved. This is show that problem, isn't it? So hence proved. Okay, so very simple 7 marks question, but it is very simple. Just take the curve equation first, right, and point, you take p x1 y1 be the point on the curve, right. So then point lies on the curve equation, that will be the second equation. Now we need m value, m is dy by dx to write our tangent equation. How we will write tangent equation? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. We need one point x1, y1 and slope m value, where m is dy by dx at the point, given point. So to get our dy by dx, we have to differentiate the curve, right. So this is the given curve equation, right. So differentiating curve with respect to x, this is the curve equation. Differentiating that curve equation with respect to x on both sides. So whenever inside the derivative plus is there, minus is there, we will take separate derivatives. So we have taken, and this side it is product form, u into v form, d by dx of u into v is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx form. So d by dx of x is 1, so 1 into y is y and x into dy by dx. Okay, so this side 3 cancels, right. So y square dy by dx minus ax into dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square. That means writing the dy by dx terms together, here we are having dy by dx, here also we are having dy by dx. Write the dy by dx terms together and write the remaining terms, send the remaining terms the other side. After that we can take dy by dx common, and we want only dy by dx to get our m value. So for that send this value to that side. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to this one. Then you find out your m is equal to dy by dx at x1 y1. Okay, so that is your m value. Once we got m value, we can take the equation of the tangent. We need m, and x1 y1 it is mentioned in the question only, point is mentioned, its coordinates are x1 y1. So equation of the tangent formula is important, compulsory, then only will get full marks. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So substitute y1 x1 is x1 y1 only, and this m value now we derived, substitute it, and here it is dividing, if you send that side it will multiplies, right. So then y term, right, y terms and x terms should be together, so that's why y into entire value I have taken, then y1 I multiplied. Similarly this side x into x terms together, that's why x into this values. Next I multiplied minus x1 with these two values. Okay, so this is y term, this is x term. So generally line equation means x term, then y term should come. So bring that x term also this side. It becomes minus. Then you send minus inside the bracket. Then this minus of minus becomes plus, and this becomes minus. So writing in the order, first x term, then y term, and sending all the other terms that side. If you observe, it is x1 cube y1 cube minus a x1 y1 minus a x1 y1, that is minus 2a x1 y1. So 3a x1 y1 minus 2a x1 y1 is a x1 y1 is the required equation of the tangent. Okay, so that is what we have to prove. It is given. Show that problem means at the end which equation we have to get it. It will be given in the question. We got that one only. Okay, so practice this problem perfectly. Easy only. Whenever equation of the tangent means first we have to consider the curve equation as 1. Then you take the point on the curve and point satisfies that curve equation, you consider that as 2. Then differentiate the curve equation with respect to x and try to get your dy by dx. dy by dx value is m, right? It is a slope, right? So then you find out after getting your slope and point will be given in the question only. So you know your x1 y1, you know your m value, take the formula equation of the tangent, right? So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Then simplify, finally you will get your tangent equation. Okay, so show that no, so you can check your answer with that given answer also. Okay, practice this problem perfectly. That's all for today. Have a nice day.